Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. I've had some of these sitting around for a while. I've been trying to find time to do them, and I just haven't done them yet. So this is a Palm Trio. I think it's a 700 on Alltel. It doesn't have a battery. There we go. Yep, 700p. Like I said, it's on Alltel, but it doesn't have a battery. I kind of already knew about that, but kind of rough around the edges. Other than that, seems to be in alright looking condition. The LCD looks good anyway, so definitely don't have a charger for it, so I'm going to have to look for one of them as well. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one.